welcome back. Or if you're new, welcome to our YouTube channel, Behind the Lens. This week we went to Peanut Island in Palm Beach, Florida. You might be wondering why I am combing my hair to go to the beach. The answer is I do not swim, as I never saw a fish trying to walk, period. That's beside the point though. The point is we were late, like Jamaican late. When we got there, the parking lot was full. We had to park in the overflow parking lot that was a block over. The sun was hot, the bags were heavy. Y'all, at this point, Miss Teresa forgot where she put her purse. So that issue was quickly resolved, and we were on our way walking again.
Between us just like baby fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you now. Passionate from miles away. Passive with the things you say.
Child, there was a light at the end of this tunnel. 5 years later, that's when I saw the shuttle boat sign. We then made our way to the ticket counter. She told us the price, which was $20 per person. Then she told us that she would have to check our bags as alcohol is prohibited on the island. That was no problem as we're good girls. We then had to wait about 3 minutes for them to unload the boat so we could go on. Two boats go back and forth every 15 minutes. Everyone has to leave the island before 5 p.m. Well, if you don't have your own transportation, that is.
You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and you can't look to me. I'm your cousin, hold you from
After making it over to Peanut Island, there was another journey awaits us. The pier or ramp, not sure what it is. However, there were a lot of people leaving, so that indicates that they had other places to be, or we were just seriously late, which I think it's the second option. The other task was to find a good spot. As you can see, that a majority of the good spots were already taken, even though so many people were already leaving. Like, make it make sense. About a minute later into our journey, we found the perfect little spot. Like, I did not want to go too far from the loading dock. As I said, we were already late and we have to leave the island before 5 p.m. If not, then we have to find our way off the island by ourselves. Once we made it, we started to get busy setting up our little area. As you can see, the little joy smile on my face because I was already over the walking.
And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you go, call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again.
As I previously stated, I do not, and I repeat, I do not swim. So my thing was to bring my new camera that I got and try it out on the beach. So that's me trying to set it up. I do not know much. I'm still learning. So that's me trying to get the ISO right. So while I'm trying to get my camera setting adjusted, they were there putting on their sunscreen and all. Well, I did not need the sunscreen because, child, I don't be going outside for nothing. Like, I don't like going outside. So I was soaking up all the vitamin D I could get. But yeah, I've attached some of the pictures that I've taken at the end of this video. So if you guys like our vlog, you could like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.